So we were discussing about method of completing square. We have discussed a basic concept of method of completing square, that exactly what we are doing in this method. So we have seen that this method is also a very helpful method when we try to find the solution of a quadratic equation. Now, based on this method, let us solve some of the numericals. So from the practice sheet, we are going to solve question number 9. Practice sheet. Question number 9, and question number 9 has 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So हम इन सभी 10 पार्ट्स को डिस्कस करेंगे. So let us start with the first part of question number 9. The first part of question number 9 says, question number 9, first part, it says 6x square plus 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. So the question is, find the roots of the following equations by the method of completing square. Okay, by method of completing the square, and this is the equation. We want to find its root by the method of completing square. We can also solve this by method of factorization that we have studied, but this time it says that you need to solve it by the method of completing the square. So in the last lecture we have studied the points, the steps, how to solve this equation by the method of completing square. We are going to apply those steps now. Okay, let us apply those steps. So we have studied about 2 steps, but in this equation you will find that the coefficient of x square is 6. Okay, coefficient of x square कितना दिख रहा है? It is 6. Okay, लेकिन हमने जो पिछले एग्जाम्पल्स लिए थे, जो इस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने के लिए एग्जाम्पल्स लिए थे, उन सभी एग्जाम्पल्स में कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर वाज 1, बट दिस टाइम कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज 6. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, वी नीड टू फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट दिस कोएफिशिएंट इनटू 1. हमें एक्स स्क्वायर के कोएफिशिएंट को सबसे पहले 1 बनाना पड़ेगा. सो आई विल राइट that in this case the step 1 will be make coefficient of x square is equals to 1. So coefficient of x square को 1 बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will divide this equation by 6. Why 6? Because the coefficient of x square is कितना है? 6. तो अगर इसका एक्स स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट 6 है, तो अगर मैं पूरी इक्वेशन को डिवाइड इक्वेशन बाय 6, पूरी इक्वेशन को अगर मैं 6 से डिवाइड कर दूं, देन आई विल गेट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5/6 एक्स प्लस 1/6 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. आई विल गेट दिस इक्वेशन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5/x 5/6 into x plus 1/6 is equals to 0. Now in this equation we will going to use this equation, we will going to apply the method of completing square to this equation. How we need to apply? So let us learn. We have studied the steps. The step 1 was, now in this case this was the step 1, so we will going to have the next step, step 2. According to step 2, we need to divide coefficient of x by 2. Okay, step 2 is divide coefficient of x by 2. So coefficient of x is what? Coefficient of x, we can see it is 5/6. So 5/6 अपॉन 2. 5/6 upon 2 is equivalent to 5/12. Okay, it is 5/12. Now this is the second step. Then what is the third step? Step 3 is step 3 will be add and subtract the square of result of step 2 into the equation. What you need to do? You need to add and subtract the square of this number 5/12 to the equation, to this equation. Why? Because we are applying this method to this equation, not to this equation. हमने इस इक्वेशन को ऐसा कन्वर्ट कर लिया, उसके बाद x के कोएफिशिएंट का हाफ किया, और अब ये जो हाफ आया है इसके स्क्वायर को ऐड करिए और सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए. सो व्हेन यू ऐड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट द स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस नंबर, इट विल बिकम x square as it is plus 5/6 x, then plus 1/6 as it is, plus 5/12 whole square and minus 5/12 whole square is equals to 0. This is what we need to do. हमने 5/12 whole square minus 5/12 whole square को add और subtract किया. Now observe this very carefully. You will find that this term and this term, okay, x square, 5/6x and 5/12 square, these three terms are constituting a formula. ये सभी मिलके एक फॉर्मूले को बना रही हैं. कैसे? This term is basically x square plus 2 times of 5/12 into x plus 5/12 whole square, okay, and plus 1/6 as it is, and minus 5/12 as it is, or we can square this term 5/12. So 5 square is 25 upon 12 का square is 144 is equals to 0. Okay, this much expression is basically a plus b whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can observe this a square plus 2ab plus b square is equivalent to this expression. So I can compress this expression, that x square plus 2 into something and plus 5/12 whole square. I can compress this expression into this form. So it will become x plus 5/12 whole square and plus 1/6 and minus 25/144 as it is. So plus 1/6 and minus 25/144 is equals to 0. So this is the relation that we have. Now solving this term 1/6 minus 25/144. Okay, how can we solve this expression? This is x plus 5/12 to the power 2 plus 1/6 and 144. So what you can do? You can multiply 6 and 144. So in the denominator it will be 6 into 144, and in the numerator it will be 144 will be multiplied with 1, that is cross multiplication, and 6 will be multiplied to 25. So if 144 comes to this place, so 144 into 1 will be 144 only. So you will get 144 minus 6 into 25. So 6 into 25 is 150 is equals to 0. Now further solving this, it will give you x plus 5/12 whole square minus 144 and 150 is 6. So minus 6 into 144. Now why this is minus? Because 144 minus 150 is minus 6. So यहाँ पे minus 6 upon 144, 6 into 144 is equals to 0. Now 6 and 6 will get cancelled, you will get minus 1 upon 144. So I can transfer this expression to RHS and finally you will get this expression. Okay, when you transfer this 1 upon 144 to RHS, you will find that 1 upon 144 means 1 upon 12 to the power 2. So 1 upon 12 to the power 2, that is 1 upon 12 whole square. So this will be the expression. This is what, this is just a form of this equation. हमने इस इक्वेशन को अब इस तरह के फॉर्म में लिख दिया है और हमने देखा था that this form is known as the standard form of method of completing the square. The standard form was x plus a whole square is equals to k square. Okay. Now you can observe this expression and this expression. You will find both are same. In place of a there is 5 by 12 and in place of k there is 1 upon 12. So now by square rooting both the sides, अगर हम दोनों तरफ square rooting करेंगे, then by square rooting you will get x plus 5 by 12 is equals to plus minus 1 upon 12. Now why it is plus minus 1 upon 12? Because we have studied that square of plus 1 upon 12 is also 1 upon 12 whole square, that is 1 upon 144, and the square of minus 1 upon 12 is also 1 upon 144 because the square is always a positive number. Okay, so this is what we will get. So from this I can say that either x plus 5 by 12 is 1 upon 12 or either x plus 5 by 12 is minus 1 upon 12. So if x plus 5 by 12 is equals to 1 upon 12, you will find x is equals to minus 4 upon 12. Okay, कैसे 5 by 12 को आप RHS में शिफ्ट कर दें, so 1 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12 is minus 4 upon 12. So if x is minus 4 upon 12, 4 and this will get cancelled and you will get the value of x as minus 1 upon 3. Okay, minus 1 upon 3. And from this equation x plus 5 by 12 is minus 1 upon 12. So it will give you x is equals to minus 6 upon 12 and it will get cancelled and finally you will get minus 1 upon 2. So the value of x so obtained is minus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So we have two values of x, one is minus 1 upon 3 and one is minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So in this way we can find the solution of this equation. ऐसा लगेगा आपको कि ये काफ़ी बड़ा है, मैंने पूरा बोर्ड भर के लिख दिया, सारे स्टेप्स लिखे, बट माइंड इट ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक्सप्लेनेशन में दिखने में इतना बड़ा है, बट आपको जब नोटबुक में सॉल्व करना है तो इतने सारे स्टेप्स नहीं लिखने. ओके, दीज स्टेप्स आर जस्ट फॉर द एक्सप्लेनेशन पर्पस. वी विल सॉल्व द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन राइट फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन. हम डायरेक्टली इस इक्वेशन से सॉल्व करेंगे, हम ये स्टेप्स को लिखेंगे नहीं. एक क्वेश्चन में स्टेप लिख के देख लिया, हमें समझ में आ गया कि स्टेप लिखना कैसे है, स्टेप करना क्या है. ओके, हर बार जो एल्गोरिथम है, जो एक स्टेप के बाद अगला स्टेप करना है, वो हमें याद हो जाएगा कि हाँ पहले आपको कोएफिशिएंट 1 बनाना है, फिर आपको x के कोएफिशिएंट को 2 से डिवाइड करना है, फिर उसके स्क्वायर को ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. हम ये चीज बार बार लिखेंगे नहीं, हम इसे डायरेक्टली सॉल्व करेंगे. सो फ्रॉम द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट डायरेक्टली. So this is just for the explanation purpose, that's why I have written it so long, every step I have written on the board. So you can note these steps and we have completed the first part of question number 9. So first note this, then we will continue. Okay, now let us continue the question number 9. Let us solve the second part of question number 9. Second part of question number 9 says, second part, the equation given in second part is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. So 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0 is the equation. We need to find its solution by the method of completing square. So what is the first step that we need to do? We need to convert the coefficient of x square into 1. Okay, the coefficient of x square in this equation is 3, but I want coefficient of x square to be 1. So what we will do? We will divide this equation, divide by 3. ओके हम 3 से इस इक्वेशन को डिवाइड करेंगे एंड आई विल गेट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5/3 एक्स प्लस 2/3 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. देन व्हाट विल बी द सेकेंड स्टेप? हमने कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर को 1 बना लिया. आगे अब हम कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स का हाफ करेंगे और उस हाफ को इसी इक्वेशन में ऐड भी करेंगे, उस हाफ के स्क्वायर को इस इक्वेशन में ऐड भी करेंगे और सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज द हाफ ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स? इट इज -5/3. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स इज कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स is -5/3. So what we will going to do? We will half it. Okay, divide it by 2. Divide by 2. It will give you -5/6. So we will add this expression, square of this expression, and also subtract the square of this expression. So the equation will become x square minus 5/3x and plus 2/3. Okay, then plus -5/6. Now if you square this -5/6, it will become 5/6 whole square. Okay, because square of any number is always positive, so square of -5/6 and square of 5/6 will be similar. I can write this -5/6 square as this 5/6. Okay, now the square of this 5/6 will be added to this expression and also subtracted from this expression. Square is equals to 0. Now by rearranging the term, next step is to rearrange the term. So let us rearrange them and you will find it becomes x square minus 5/3x plus 5/6 whole square plus 2/3 and minus 5/6 square is equals to 0. Okay, you will find this expression like this. कुछ इस तरह से ये expression बन जाएगा and you will find that this particular terms, these three terms are basically x square minus 2 into 5/6 into x and plus 5/6 whole square. Okay, then this 2/3 as it is, so plus 2/3 and minus 5/6 ka whole square, that is 25/36. Okay, 25/36 and this is equals to 0. Now from this equation you can see that this expression is a square minus 2ab into plus b square. Okay, you will find this expression as a square minus 2ab plus b square and plus this 2/3. You can take LCM here. Okay, so this is what we will going to have. So a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square. I can write it as a minus b whole square. पिछले क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास a plus b whole square था. Why? Because वहां पर इस 2 के साथ यहाँ पे प्लस था, लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में, इस इक्वेशन में यहाँ पर माइनस है, इसीलिए we will going to use a minus b whole square. So if a minus b whole square, you will find this becomes x minus 5/6 whole square and plus this expression. Let us solve this expression. What you will get? This is 3 into 36. So at the डिनोमिनेटर इट इज 3 इंटू 36 एंड ऊपर आएगा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके, सो 36 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 36 2 सा इट इज 72, सो 36 इंटू 2 इज 72 एंड माइनस 3 into 25, so 25 3s are 75, so this will become 0. Now from this expression you will get x minus 5 by 6 square is equals to 1 upon 36. Okay, what I have done, this is 72 minus 75, so it is minus 3, and 3 and 3 from numerator and denominator will get cancelled, so you will get x minus 5 ka whole square, x minus 5 by 6 whole square minus 1 upon 36, and 1 upon 36 is transferred to RHS, so you will get this expression. Now this 1 upon 36 is what? It is equivalent to 1 upon 6 ka whole square, so it means the basic equation that I have is x minus 5 by 6 whole square is equals to 1 upon 6 whole square. Now you can compare this equation with the standard form, x plus a whole square is equals to k square. So in place of a we have minus 5 by 6 and in place of k we have 1 upon 6. Now by square rooting both the sides, so if you square root both the sides you will get x minus 5 by 6 is equals to plus minus 1 upon 6. So the value of x minus 5 by 6 can be 1 upon 6 or it can be minus 1 upon 6. Okay, now further solving this equation, finally you will get the value of x from this expression and this expression. So you will get two values of x. Okay, so after this you can easily solve, it's simply an equation and you need to find the solution. So by finding the solution you can also verify that solution in this equation. For that what you need to do, you just need to substitute the value of this x obtained from this solution into this equation in place of x, and you can determine the and you can verify the solution. Okay, so in this manner you need to solve the second part of question number 9. It's very simple. हमने क्या करा, एक इक्वेशन थी 3 से डिवाइड करके उसके कोएफिशिएंट को x स्क्वायर के कोएफिशिएंट को 1 बनाया, उसके बाद हमने x के कोएफिशिएंट को हाफ किया, दैट इज दिस वन माइनस 5 by 6, और फिर उसका स्क्वायर कर दिया, स्क्वायर करा मतलब 5 by 6 का होल स्क्वायर. सो इस स्क्वायर को हमने ऐड किया और सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. जब आपने ऐड करा तो रीअरेंज करके हमें कुछ इस तरह का एक्सप्रेशन मिला जिसमें ये एक्सप्रेशन a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर जैसा दिखाई देता है, इसीलिए हमने इसे a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर से रिप्लेस कर दिया और प्लस जो बाकी का एक्सप्रेशन था उसे सॉल्व किया. सॉल्व करके यू विल गेट दिस एक्सप्रेशन एंड स्क्वायर रूटिंग करा तो ये एक्सप्रेशन आया और फर्दर ये दोनों एक्सप्रेशन. नाउ इसको जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे इजीली यू कैन फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन. आपने यहाँ पे देखा कि जो भी प्रोसेस हमने लगाई है इट इज टोटली अ कैलकुलेटिव प्रोसेस, यहाँ पे सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन ही हैवी है. लेकिन फैक्टराइजेशन जब हम करते हैं तो फैक्टराइजेशन में यू नीड टू डिटरमाइन, आपको सोचना होगा कि किस तरह से हम ऐसे फैक्टर्स को ढूंढें जो कि ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट होने पे मिडिल टर्म दे और मल्टीप्लाई होने पे एक्सट्रीम के टर्म्स का प्रोडक्ट दे. तो ये चीज सोचने में ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है बिकॉज बहुत सारी इक्वेशंस में हमें डायरेक्टली नहीं पता चलता, जैसे कि इस इक्वेशन में आपको दिक्कत हो सकती है. ओके, या फिर इसके जो प्रीवियस इक्वेशन हमने सॉल्व करी उसमें हो सकता है प्रॉब्लम हो. ऐसी बहुत सारी इक्वेशंस आगे जब हम और डिस्कस करेंगे यू विल फाइंड दोज इक्वेशंस जहां पे फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड लगाना इज नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. ओके, बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस मेथड इज अ बिट सुटेबल टू find the solution. So this is the second part of question number 9. Let us discuss the third part of question number 9. So question number 9, third part. Third part is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equals to 0. We need to find its solution by the method of completing the square. So what is the first step in this method? First you need to make the coefficient of x square as 1. Okay, so to make the coefficient of x square 1, we will divide this equation by 3. So by dividing this equation by 3, you will get x square minus 2 root 6 by 3 x plus 2 by 3 is equals to 0. This is what you will get. This is the first step. Then what is the second step? The coefficient of x. We will half the coefficient of x. This is 2 root 6 by 3 is the coefficient of x. So this 2 root 6 by 3 or minus 2 root 6 by 3, whatever it is, it will become root 6 by 3 when we halve this coefficient. So adding and subtracting the square of this number, this result, it will give you x square minus 2 times root 6 by 3 into x plus root 6 by 3 whole square and minus plus 2 by 3 minus root 6 by 3 whole square is equals to 0. Okay, this is the equation in which I have written root 6 by 3 whole square and arranged that equation these terms also. For example here हमने यहाँ पर इस स्टेप के बाद ये इक्वेशन और ये इक्वेशन लिखा और फाइनली यहाँ पर ये इक्वेशन लिखा. बट दिस टाइम आई हैव स्किप्ड दीज टू इक्वेशंस. मैंने डायरेक्टली इस इक्वेशन को लिख दिया है. ओके, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 रूट 6 एक्स बाई 3 से और प्लस रूट 6 बाई 3 स्क्वायर को इसके साथ ही यहाँ पे लिख दिया और 2 बाई 3 माइनस रूट 6 बाई 3 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ you will find that these two expression, these three terms are a square minus 2ab plus b square. And what is a square minus 2ab plus b square? It is equals to a minus b whole square. So in place of this expression I can write a minus b whole square, that is x minus root 6 by 3 whole square. Okay, then plus 2 by 3 and minus, now this is root 6 by 3, so it will become 6 upon 9 is equals to 0. Now this 6 upon 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, so this expression will become x minus root 6 upon 3 square plus 2 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3 is equals to 0. So what is this plus 2 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3? These two terms will get cancelled and finally you will be left with x minus root 6 upon 3 whole square is equals to 0. Now you can see that in this question we have this 1 upon 6 whole square in the RHS, but in this case we have 0 in RHS. So what we will do after this, how we will solve this equation? You can see that this 0 means 0 square. Okay, it's 0 means 0 square. So this can be compared with the standard form of this method, that is x plus a whole square is equals to k square. So simply we will square root in this equation. So by square rooting both the sides, it will become x minus root 6 upon 3 is equals to 0. And if x minus root 6 upon 3 is equals to 0, it implies that the value of x is root 6 upon 3. So in this case you will find that we have only one solution, that is root 6 upon 3. And if you solve this equation by factorization method also, you will get only one solution, root 6 upon 3. Okay, so this root 6 upon 3 is the only solution for this equation, and we have determined it using the method of completing square. So in this way we need to apply the method. We will solve some more questions to get a better understanding. So this is the third part of question number 9. First इसे note कर लीजिए, then we will continue.